last year's car had been used for about 8 years, so the technology is a lot different on the new car. A lot newer technology, a lot safer of a chassis for the drivers, and hopefully a little bit faster.
Well, it's deemed probably the safest open-wheel car ever manufactured anywhere in the world, which is probably the most important factor in all of any sort of racing.
It's very fast. It's we're stood close to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway here, and it's probably the granddaddy of all the races.
Absolutely, Indianapolis is almost as big as the rest of the season combined. It's the biggest race in the world, and I think if you ask everybody in this building if we could win one race a year, we'd all pick Indianapolis.
We will make whatever we can legally make for the cars, and this year it's a little bit smaller than we have been able to in the past, but we'll jump in any little sandbox we can play in, and with that the welding machines are paramount in helping us do that.
We do have a carbon fiber monocoque tub, if you will, but all of our suspension is welded. There's roll bar structures that are welded. Believe it or not, there is a fair amount of welding on a car, and with the suspension, obviously, is a very critical part. The INDYCARs go quite fast. There's a lot of G-loads on them in the turns and stuff, so the welding and quality of it is very critical.
They're not like a component on a regular road car that's designed to run 100,000 miles. All of these components have a very finite life to them, and they're stressed very highly. So if your welding equipment isn't up to par and you get a substandard weld, that part can break on a race car, and catastrophic things can happen when parts break on race cars.
Lincoln has been a great sponsor over the years, I think dating back to 1996. They support us at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway during the month of May. If there's repairs that need to be done by teams or modifications, they were always there to support with the proper welding equipment and welding rod and so on.
Well, Lincoln has helped us in some of the guidelines required for the non-destructive testing, and that's very helpful. They understand what's required, and they've helped getting that across to us and how to do it.
Well, you can't race without sponsors. Really, it's a team effort.
I think Lincoln will be a part of INDYCAR for many years to come. There's a big area that the welders are very valuable in with our teams. Pit equipment, all the structure that goes on around the racetrack, the trucks that the guys travel in. There's a lot of fixturing that gets done with the race cars and stuff. All the stuff that the teams fabricate at their shops.
There's a lot of stuff going on. I mean, we're here today doing another seat for the new car, trying to get comfortable in that. Engine competitions back again, Honda, Lotus, and Chevy.
We've had some very good results with our early tests. We had a very good result with our wind tunnel last week, and it's looking good. I can't wait for the first race.
Yeah.